What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Top Drive. You are with me here, Chris, and in today's video, guys, we are going back into some campaign run, and I do have some challenge being appeared right there. So it has 2 days, 10 hours, 21 minutes and 47 seconds remaining in this challenge. So before that, one thing that I need to highlight, we do have a Ford carbon fiber which appears right on my screen, as you can see on the top right. I'm not really sure why it disappeared, but it also have that 1x, which is one time of it. Let's see in the buy. There you go, it's here as well. So 5 card, at least 1 ultra rare or better and 1 super rare or better Ford. So that will be about 1,299. Let's see, should we open that? But before that, let's go into challenge. It's got to be the blue oval. It's got to be the blue oval. Alright, I'm not really sure why you said that, but that's the Ford right there, the same Ford packet. But this is the I'm not sure what is this, but it looks pretty much the same. There you go. So this is Ford carbon fiber. I'm not sure if this is the same. Yep, same thing, Ford carbon fiber as well. So let's buy it from outside here. 1,299, guys. Wow. Alright, let's open this. Let's see what we have. The S3. We have the Vauxhall Chevette HSR. Alright, I'm not having this, so I'm gonna keep this car. Subaru BRZ. Yep, thank you very much. I had that earlier. Ford Focus ST. What? I just have this as well. Super cheap. The last one, Ford Sierra RS 500 6.1 with a top speed of 154, not to 60 at 6.1, 83 grip. Alright, and that's it. But you can actually buy it from here as well. Let's buy again. Let's see what we get. This is all on the Ford carbon fiber. I'm not sure what car we're gonna bump. Cadillac Escalade, Suzuki Vitara S, Ford Thunderbird 3.9 LV8. Wow, alright. This is the 2002 version. Ford Escort Rally Spec. Awesome. Got some good cars. I think right now I'm so eager to open for more of the Ford carbon fiber. Renault Sport Twingo 133 Cup. Alright, I do not have this. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna sell this. This I'm gonna sell as well. Ford Galaxy. Alright, Ford Taurus. Nice, awesome car. Alright, we still can go for more. 3.3. We have 3,334. Let's see. Mercedes-Benz CLK23. Okay. This one I think I have, but I sold it off. Suzuki SX. Alright, finally something on the Suzuki card. Honda Prototype S 1996 version 6.9. Okay, awesome. Ford Focus ST. I don't think so I have this. I'm gonna keep this. And the Ford Sierra Cosworth. Alright, I already have this, so I'm gonna sell that off. Last but not least, guys, the last Ford carbon fiber. Let's see. Porsche 944. Cadillac Escalade again. Suzuki Vitara S, I already have that. Ford Mustang, I already have this as well. Ford Focus ST Mount Tune. Right, this is something very, very new. I do not have this. Awesome. Let's go to my car. 25 of that. So I'm gonna sell this. I'm gonna sell this. Ford Sierra RS 500. I'm gonna add this. Subaru BRZ. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add this. Cadillac Escalade. Sell this off. I'm gonna add this. Add this. Sell this. Sell this. Sell this. Ford Galaxy. 4-wheel drive. Sorry, 4 grip. Still thinking though. I'm gonna sell this off. Ford Taurus. Sell this. Mini Cooper. Renault Twingo. I'm gonna keep this. This one I'm gonna keep. This one. Alright, I'm not really sure what should I do with these guys. Probably I'm gonna keep this first. Honda Prelude, I'm gonna keep this. I do not have that. Mercedes-Benz CLK, I'm gonna sell this off. Alright, this I'm gonna keep. Cadillac again. Escalade. This one I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep this Porsche 944. I already have this, but I'm gonna keep just to carry that out. Suzuki Vitara S. I'm gonna sell this off. Alright, so we do have challenge right here, and this is gonna be, let's see, less required is Fords less than or equal to 70. There you go, guys. So we're gonna remove all this. So I'm gonna filter to, let's see. How should I filter this? Ford, there you go. Alright, first Ford, second Ford, third Ford. So we do have up to 70 to go on. But I'm just gonna put this and this. We are above right now. I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna put this. I'm not sure what car will be facing on. So this is the issue. Let's see. Still trying to think what should I remove. Ford Puma though. This is where I get a little bit confused. Fords. Put this. Ooh. Come on. Oh my. I'm gonna bring this. Nope. That's like one more right there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna upgrade a little bit over here. Of course it's not worth it, but well, I just need some extra. Alright, any cars that is being upgraded over here, I will basically be keeping it. Alright, let's go. There you go. So far so good. I'm trying to think which car should I be putting. I'm gonna put you here. I'm gonna put you here. Test pool. Alright. Doing well so far. Also, plus 92. Right, 93. You can see the Nissan Micra. Right now, Porsche 914. Alright, 123. 3-star right away. Awesome. Alright, so basically we earn quite a big points right there. 450. Let's get Caterham 7. 500 of experience. Gonna sell that. So I think it's still on the 70. Alright, that's pretty awesome so far. G-Force test. I'm gonna put it here. Test pool. Alright, I'm gonna put you here, you're gonna be here, and you're gonna be here. Alright, first round is done. Number 2 G-Force 86. I think we're gonna go for a 3-star again. 222 not moving. Right, that's basically the max offering. So 50. Alright. Awesome. Nissan Pulsar, 800 on cash. Let's go for more. Just want to make sure that I have my car being arranged in a proper way. I do not want to mess it up in any kind of way. Let's see. Celeron test. The only car that I can think of is this. Alright. G-Force. I'm gonna put you here. Test bowl, I'm gonna put test bowl. You here. You're gonna be here. You're gonna be here. Alright, let's go ahead. Awesome. Nice. You get some $137. There you go. That's a 3-star right there. Nissan Navara, Nissan Terrano 2. We have 2 more tickets to go. I'm gonna sell off this Nissan Navara and Terrano. I need that cash. I really need that cash. Slalom test. Let's see. You should be here. Yep, you're gonna be here. G-Force test. Be here. That's full. Half mile drag. Oh. I'm gonna put you here. And a twisted circuit. There you go. I think I'm gonna lost at a twisted circuit. Big time. Getting some good points right now. Right, this last race. Ooh, that was a close one. Awesome. Right, so the cars are getting much more quicker right now, if you guys notice. So let's see. Slalom test. There you go. This is where I get jammed up. You're gonna be here. G-Force test. I got my brain thinking right now. 154, you're gonna be here. Twisty road. I think we're gonna lose this. Oh. Oh, that was a close one. Right, we got that extra 3. That will do. 1 star for a beginning. Just 1 star. Just 1 star. We lost that. 1 star, that's it. Alright. looks like we have no more tickets available right now. That is bad. But it's still starting on a less or equal than 70. How's that? Alright. So I'll be continuing on my campaign, which I'll be going on the Italy. Is on the road. But hey, I'm quite excited to actually have something different for the Fortress. That's pretty awesome. So I can get more on the fort, hopefully. Alright guys, so with that, I'll be wrapping up this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the most. If you are new, hit the subscribe button guys, like the video down below, leave your comments as usual, and I'll get back to you. So with that, I'm Chris, and this is Top Drive, and I'm out. Wait, before I be going for that last word, let's complete this opening. Alright guys, peace.